Good morning class 2. Welcome to your GK class children. So today we will do GK. Right, open your book at page number 28. This is your GK book, as you all know that Junior Knowledge Part 2, and today we will do chapter 18 of this book. Right, chapter 18. So page number is 28. Open your book at page number 28. Right. So and now what is the name of the chapter? Special vehicles. Okay, chapter number is 18 and the name of the chapter is special vehicles. So here on this page you can see some vehicles, isn't it? So these vehicle are used for some special purposes. Each vehicle has got a special function. Okay, now today we will learn what is the function of these vehicles. Okay, suppose this one, what is this? First of all, we have to recognize this vehicle. What is this? Have you seen this one? So what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? And what is this? Okay, so here we can see 6 vehicle, and each vehicle it has a special function. First of all, we'll see the name, we'll find out the name of the vehicles and what are they used for. We will do this. For this you have got clues here. See, here you have got clues. Name of the vehicles are written here and their purpose, their job is written on the other side. What you have to do? You have to, here numbers are given. At first you have to number the vehicle. Okay, what is this? Which vehicle is this? Which vehicle is this? From here you have to identify. Then you have to match the uses of this vehicle. Okay, each one of this use of this vehicles you have to match. So let us do. Numbering is given here. See, this is number 1, this is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way. Okay, now you see the names are given here. Names are given here. Now first of all, ambulance. So which one is ambulance here? First of all, we will identify the vehicles. Ambulance. Ambulance is the most familiar vehicle, isn't it? All of us must have seen, isn't it, on the road. So which one is ambulance? So is this ambulance? Is this a ambulance? Is this an ambulance? Which one is an ambulance here? So definitely this one. This is an ambulance. Which number is this? 1, 2, I think this is 3. Right, yes, this is 3. So here, see, here you can see few circle. What you have to do is you have to put the numbers here. Suppose this, we have seen this is ambulance. Here we'll find out which one is ambulance. This is ambulance, and with what is the number? Number 3. So we will write here number 3. Number 3 is ambulance. So you will write in the circle given, you will write number 3 for the first one, ambulance. We have written number 3. First of all, let us identify. Then we'll find out the uses. Okay. Then number 2 is dumper truck. Dumper truck. Which one is dumper truck here? See. Is this a dumper truck? Is this a dumper truck? Or is this a dumper truck? Which one is dumper truck? Side by side, let me explain you also what. First of all, we have done ambulance. What is the function of this ambulance? They take the sick people to hospital when we are in an emergency situation. When someone is ill or sick in our family, then we need emergency help of the hospital. So to take them to the sick people to the hospital, we need a vehicle. So ambulance is the vehicle which help us to carry the sick people to the hospital in an emergency. So this is ambulance. The function is given here. We will do it later on. Next one we are talking about is dumper truck. Dumper truck, what is the use of the dumper truck? So this dumper truck, say, this is, first of all, we have to identify this one is dumper truck. So they used to carry things. For example, we are constructing a big building. then we need sand, bricks, stone chips, etc. To carry those things to that particular site, we need something, because you cannot, every one of us most of us have got cars in your house. You have got your own car, but is it possible to carry all these sand, stones in your car and take those materials to the construction site? No. So we need a big vehicle for that, so that we can load the material there. Then we need to unload them there in the construction site, isn't it? So the facility is given here in this dumper truck, so that you can load the thing and then you can again unload the thing in the construction site, right? So this is a dumper truck. So which number is this? This is number 6, right? So in place near dumper truck, you'll write here number 6. Okay, we will write number 6 here. Okay, done. Now next one is, we can see fire engine. Fire engine, it is also very important for us. So it saves us when our house or a building or a marketplace catches fire. We need to put off the fire immediately. For that, there is a special kind of vehicle that carries, they have got tank, so that they can carry lot of water with them. Okay, so with the help of this tank that they have got, and they have got many facilities also, many number of pipes, and also that they can put out the fire. So for that, what kind of vehicle we use? We use fire engine. So which one is fire engine here? Fire engine, this is fire engine, danger color, this is red. Red is the symbol of danger, isn't it? So in an emergency, when people see this, they have got a horn also, special kind of horn also. When they blew the horn, every vehicle, they gave them space, so that the vehicle can pass. Okay, because it goes for an emergency duty, right? So this is fire engine. So number 3, you will write here. Which number is this? This is number 1, right? Number 1 is in red color. It is fire engine. See, this number 1. See, this is number 1, fire engine, right? Next one we can see is road rollers. Road rollers. See, this is road roller, number 5. Yes, what is the function of road roller? So we need continuous repairing of the road that we use, because everyday road is also very important for us. It need to get repaired, isn't it? So for the maintenance, what happen? We repair the road, isn't it? So that people can do their work smoothly, right? So we need to maintain them. When we repair them, we use small stone chips and this material they use. So we have to make it smooth. In order to make the road smooth, we need this road roller. What is the use of the road roller? It makes the road flat and smooth. So see, this is number 5. Number 5 is road roller. Where it is? It is here. So here you will write number 5. Okay, this is road roller. Then next one, what is this? This is what? See, this is a tanker. Now, tanker, which one is tanker here? Obviously, this one here we can see a tank, big tank. They carry, usually they carry milk, they carry water, petrol, oil. Okay, so this thing they carry because they have to carry this in a large quantity. So they have got this vehicle has got a special kind of a tank, okay, at the back, so that it can carry a large amount of thing like that is milk, then petrol, water, etc. So here you can see a tank. So this kind of vehicle, it is known as tanker. So which number is this? Number 2. So here beside tanker we'll write number 2. Done. Here we'll write number 2, and the last one here we can see is tractor. Which one is tractor? Have you seen? You must have seen tractor. So this is tractor, number 4. This is tractor. Where are they used? They are especially used in a field, in an agricultural farm, right? So here for tractor, it is in number 4. So you write number 4 here. written, number 4 is written here. So all this we have got. Now what is the function of this tractor? This tractor, it helps to pull big farm machines, okay, and the trailers which are needed for the cultivation of crop. When we need to cultivate crop, we grow crop in large farms, right? There they need some large machines are required for different purposes, right? So for that they needed this tractor. This tractor help to pull the farm machines, trailers, etc., and the materials also. Sometimes they carry the crops also from the from the farm to the wherever, to their respective places, or to the market, wherever they need to send them. Okay, so here we have marked everything. I have told you the use also. I think you can find out the uses of this here. Then what we will do, you'll match here. What we will do here is, we'll not draw line, okay, we'll not draw line, just this number we will put here. Suppose this is which number? Number 3, ambulance. We'll find the use of ambulance here. Okay, we'll find the use of ambulance here. See, let us see what is written here. Ambulances, I have already told you. Take people to hospital. See the last one. Take people to hospital. So here you will give number 1. Okay, this is number 1. This way. Number 1. This ambulance, number 1. No, sorry, number 3. This is not number 1, number 3. We have given here number 3, na? Ambulance is number 3. So you will write number 3 here, not number 1, number 3. Because we are not counting like this 1, 2, 3, whatever number is given here respectively, this same number will write here. So ambulance carry people to the hospital, right? Then dumper truck, which number is this? Dumper truck is number 6. So what is the use of the dumper truck? Carry and dump sand, stone, etc. So in place of this, before this, we will write number 6. Dumper truck, they carry sand and other dump and carry sand and other materials, right? So here number 6. Then comes number fire engine. What is the use of fire engine? What is the use of fire engine? Fight with fire. So here you can write number 1. See, number 1 here. So this is fire engine. It fights with fire. When something catches fire, so this vehicle is used to carry water and to fight with the fire, to blow off the fire, right? Put off the fire. Then next one is road roller. What is the use of the road roller? They make the road flat. So which number is this? Number 5. So here you can write number 5. Okay, make the road. Number 5 is road roller. So here it is used to make the road flat. Done. Next one. Next one is what? Tanker. So tanker, what is the use of tanker? Carry milk, petrol, water, etc. Right. So here tanker, number 2 you will write here. Number 2 you will write here. Done. Tanker, they carry milk, water, petrol, etc. And the last one is tractor. What is the use of tractor? Tractor pull farm machines, trailers, etc. So number 4 you will write here. See, this is number 4. Tractor. This is tractor. We have given number 4. So number 4 matches here. Pull the machine, pull farm machines, trailers, etc. Number 4. Okay, so this way these are the name of the vehicles, and this is what? These are the uses of the vehicles, right? This is done. See properly. I hope it is clear. And this part is also done. Okay. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned about the special vehicle and their uses, right? So do it properly in the book itself. Okay, thank you.